Hello everyone, in this video I will show you my Flutter project. It is about dice roller with multiple functionalities like audio, animation, and Google font libraries, and some dependencies for audio or and images. Okay, so let me show you a live project. So when you click on roll dice button, this is the outcome. Let me test on iPhone device. This is iPhone 14. Okay, it took almost 2 weeks for prepare this project. uh, I'm dropping the source code on my website. It is engineer.in. You can check out for the source codes. The link I'll provide you in the description. And in the next videos I'll be guiding you how you can make such kind of project with the multiple functionalities like audio, animations, and other things. Thank you guys, I hope you have liked this content.